Can I be in your camera?
Smile, you just woke me up.
Oh, I did?
Oh, yeah, you did.
Well, it's 11 o'clock already, so... I said, why are you doing all this, though, for?
Why are you doing this?
Well, we pay rent, so we can do what we want.
So you can wake people up, you can disturb people so that they can't, I can't read, I can't use my computer, I can't do the stuff that I can't just sit quietly in here and enjoy where I live.
Okay, well, I can't do what I want and what I pay rent. Well, you can't enjoy where you live at? I can enjoy where I live at, too.
You just woke me up with that loud music.
It's not even loud. Man, I bet your life is boring. You don't have a computer? You got a TV downstairs or something? Well, go to the library or something. I don't care. You can tell the owner because I already talked to him, so. That's it. Want more pictures?